Nail technology is a full discipline. It covers manicures, pedicures, sculptured nails, sanitation, polish application, and whether you're going through a dedicated nail tech program or a master cosmetology course, you are going to need a kit that covers all of it. This is the Deluxe Pro Nail Technology and Manicure Student Kit by Giell. It's a comprehensive school-ready set built to take you through every service category in your program. And I'm going to walk you through everything it has to offer, starting with files and buffers. You've got emery boards, cushion nail files in 2 different grits to cover both shaping and refinement stages, and a 2-sided pedicure foot file for callus work during pedicure services. Worth calling out is the 4-sided nail buffer. Each face has a progressively finer grit, taking the nail surface from initial shaping all the way through to a high shine finish in a single tool. And this kit includes 4 of them, enough for a full class rotation. 4 Giell acrylic powders cover the full curriculum range. You've got pink, white, clear, and a natural mix. French sculpting, natural overlays, competition work, you got it, it's all there. And at 1.4 ounces each, there's enough product to carry you through substantial practice time. Giell's own odorless monomer comes in a full 4-ounce bottle. Alongside it, the acrylic prep lineup includes an acid-free nail primer and a nail prep bonder and pH balancer. That bonder dehydrates the natural nail and optimizes surface pH before application, which translates directly to better adhesion and longer-lasting acrylic work. 5 service liquids cover every stage of prep, finishing, and removal. You've got hand sanitizer and antiseptic spray for sanitation before and between services, cuticle oil for conditioning and finishing, cuticle softener for a clean cuticle work during manicure and pedicure prep, and for removal, both nail polish remover for standard polish and 100% pure acetone for acrylic work. For acrylic application, you also have 100 assorted full well nail tips, 30 nail forms, and 2 tubes of nail glue. Tips and forms together cover both tip and overlay and free edge sculpting, which are 2 distinct techniques your program will walk you through. 2 acrylic brushes are included as well, a flat brush and a round brush. Both are sized for student work, so they're precise enough to control and manageable enough to learn on. Use the flat one for detail and smile lines, and the round for building and shaping the bead. For product containment, we have 2 glass dappen dishes to handle your monomer, and the double well plastic dappen dish with closable lids. That's going to keep your powders organized and protected between sessions. No spills or cross-contamination. A dedicated brush cleaner is also in the kit. It's an easy step to skip early on, and one you're gonna regret skipping once your brushes start to stiffen, so you gotta keep that up from the get-go. Manicure and pedicure services are fully covered here. A French manicure nail polish set gives you red, white, and pink polishes, along with a base coat and top coat, to cover the complete sequence for polish application practice. An introductory pedicure essentials set handles the pedicure service side, and a manicure hand soak bowl rounds out the prep tools for nail and cuticle softening before any surface. 2 firm bristle manicure brushes are used for nail plate and skin cleaning, which is a routine sanitation step that's going to get drilled in from day 1. Implements include a 6-piece manicure set with a sterilizing tray to store and present them properly, a fingernail clipper and a toenail clipper kept separate for separate services, and orange wood sticks for cuticle work and detail cleanup throughout both manicure and pedicure services. We also have a manicure practice hand with cuticle fingers, which is going to give you a realistic surface to develop your technique on outside of a live service setting. So you can work on sculpting, polish application, cuticle work, the whole 9 yards. It's the kind of tool that's going to let you put in real repetitions on your own time. For safety and sanitation, we have clear frame safety glasses for acrylic work, a pack of lint-free nail wipes for clean product removal, and 100% cotton salon towels for service setup and client care. Everything also comes with a large nylon tote bag to carry your kit to class, to your practical exam, or wherever you need to work. The Deluxe Pro Nail Technology and Manicure Student Kit gives you every tool and product you need to cover the full scope of your nail technology course. It's built for the classroom, ready for every stage of your training, and priced for a student program. One quick thing to note though, since this kit includes the Giell odorless monomer, review our application guide before your first session. This is going to behave a little differently than traditional liquid, and we have put together a full written guide and video walkthrough to help you get the technique right from the start. The link will be in the description, as well as the link to the kit, and if you have any questions at all, please let us know as well in a comment. We'd be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.